Unit 6, Lesson 1. The whole unit is going to discuss probability, and we're going to look at how we can read a question and decide what kind of question it is and what strategy can we use to solve it. We won't be asking you to solve it, but we will be asking you to know what method you would use. So the first category, or collection of terms in that category, is whether the question fits a fundamental counting principle question, a permutation, or probability question. Now they are all very similar, except a fundamental counting principle deals with multiplication, okay, so you're going to have a number of choices at each stage and you're going to multiply. Permutations are the same way. The difference is, and you'll find out this later, but in a brief overview here, the difference in the two is that a permutation usually goes down to where you have only one choice left. And again, we're going to go into this in greater detail. A probability is when you start taking, I'm going to find out, for example, the probability of rolling a 1 when you're going to have a dice. So you roll it, and that means probability will be 1 out of 6. Noticing that a probability is a fraction or a decimal, but you're talking about the 6 is representing a total number of possibilities, and the 1 represents what you're looking for. And that's, in a brief, real quick view, that's the differences in the three. And we're going to go into greater detail in our next lessons. And this ends Lesson 1, Video 1.